Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use, this heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. UV and FADE resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 675 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. Retraction of review. I do like this strap part, very well put together and strong. However, the clip isn't. My puppy is only 8 months old and weigh about pounds. He pulled on a leash and the clip snapped. He is still in the training part of his life, so he likes to run and play as most dogs do. When this happened, he took advantage of his freedom, which scared me to a point of hysteria. I was terrified. I am very grateful that he listened and came back to me. Thank goodness this product works very well. Strong, durable, glad I purchased. I give it 5 stars.